Father, Father, where are you, Father? Your son, your Hamlet is here. Looking at whom you always said, he reminds me of my childhood, my perfect replica. Where are you, Father? Father?
Thee don't deserve a heart, for thou have committed sins in thy life.
I don't deserve a hug? Why? Why are you saying so, Father? What have I done to get such a punishment? Tell me, Father.
Thou did to thy mother was not right.
Then what was right, Father? Claudius, you poured venom in your ear. And then married your own wife, my mother. Was that right? My mother married such a man who killed my father by pouring venom in his ears and ensured his death in seconds. Was that right? Tell me, Father, what mother did to you, was that right? Do you remember her words? Do you remember what she said? That no matter what happens, she would never, ever think of anyone else. But then what? She married your own brother, who killed you. Killed you for everything the king had. Was that right? When I was alone, there was no one for me. No one. Apart from Horatio and Ophelia.
Ophelia. Yes, she was with you. But what did you do to her? That poor girl loved you. Loved you so much that she always thought of you. She was blamed. Blamed for loving you. You killed her father?
Why did I do this? Why did I leave her? There was nothing I did willingly. It was all because of what I was supposed to do, what I was asked to do by you, Father. Didn't you see my pain when I saw her lying dead in the coffin? Can't you see my tears when I realized that she was blamed for loving me? She killed her own father, her own brother. I cried my heart out when I was told that Ophelia was wandering here and there in such a mental condition. Though silent, didn't that silence tell me anything but pain, Father? Oh, Father, and you know that I didn't do that knowingly. You were there, watching everything. You knew Polonius, her father, was spying on me and mother when I was trying to tell her what a terrible mistake she had made by marrying such an evil of a man. was responsible for assassination, Father. Tell me, was that right? Father, tell me, was that right? Tell me, Father. Answer me.
Were you convincing her or were you accusing her of a mistake?
Father, is that just a mere mistake? Or a betrayal indeed? Don't go, Father. Listen to me. Do you remember when everyone said that fearless being an evil spirit risen from the dead? And even though how dearly they may be for me, ignoring them, I followed you. I followed you because I wanted to do something for you, Father. When I was sent on that voyage with the plan of my assassination, which I survived, I was alone. No one was there for me. Did Her Majesty ever think of protecting Ophelia? Did she ever? She was asked to do so by every other woman in this empire. Then why? Why was Ophelia treated the way she shouldn't have been? Her Majesty
I was to protect you, to save you from Claudius, and for killing his follower, Herodotus. He would have sentenced you with death.
And what about Ophelia, Father? Why was she treated the way she shouldn't have been? When I came back from that voyage, I saw my Ophelia. I saw my Ophelia lying dead in that coffin. Silently. That silence spoke everything. Can anyone even imagine what pain she must have gone? What was her last wish? What trauma she had faced? Forget anyone. Did Her Majesty even think of it? Ever? There grows a willow, aslant a brook, that shows its small leaves to the glassy stream. There, with fantastic garlands did she come, with crowflowers, daisies and nettles and long bouquets. That liberal shepherds give a grocer's name, but our cold maids, two dead men's fingers call them. When put on her pendant brow, a coronet beads, clambering on to hang on to an envious silver brook. When down her weedy trophies and herself, she fell into the weeping brook. As her clothes spread wide, she snatched, mermaid-like, they bore her up. She snatched old tunes, like a creature, incapable of its own stress. A creature needed her endued onto that element, and long it could not be, till her gown was filled with other drink. They pulled the poor wretch into the melodious grave. To her money, death, Even, even my assassination was planned by your brother, father. He knew that if I lived, I was a threat to his life. The rest, he had been used up for the same purpose, wasn't he? And that bowl, it was meant for royal blood. And by fault, mother drank it. But we all know it was for me, wasn't it? I had to ask Horatio for a promise. I asked him to clear my image, to clear my name, for the next generations to realize that whatever I
Indeed, my son, thy heart is pure, thy image is clear. You, may God bless you and your failure with happiness and togetherness wherever you shall. Thou deserve all love. Come to me now. Come to me, my son. Come to your father. Come with me.
Father?
Hamlet.
Father?
How me, son?
Father, where are you?
Hamlet.
Father?
Hamlet.